Who is the father of botany? Answer Theophrastus. What is the study of plants called? Answer botany. What is the main pigment in plants? Answer chlorophyll. Which kingdom do plants belong to? Answer Plantae. What is the primary mode of nutrition in plants? Answer autotrophic. What is the main process of food preparation in plants? Answer photosynthesis. Which gas is absorbed during photosynthesis? Answer carbon dioxide. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Answer oxygen. Which part of the plant performs photosynthesis? Answer leaf. What is the energy source for photosynthesis? Answer sunlight. What is the green color of leaves due to? Answer chlorophyll. What is the storage form of carbohydrate in plants? Answer starch. What is the study of algae called? Answer phycology. What is the study of fungi called? Answer mycology. What is the study of mosses called? Answer bryology. What is the study of flowering plants called? Answer angiospermy. What is the scientific term for plant life cycle? Answer alternation of generations. What is the dominant phase in bryophytes? Answer gametophyte. What is the dominant phase in pteridophytes? Answer sporophyte. What type of reproduction occurs in algae? Answer both sexual and asexual. Who gave the classification of the plant kingdom? Answer Whitaker. How many kingdoms are in Whitaker's classification? Answer 5. Which kingdom includes algae? Answer Plantae. Which kingdom includes fungi? Answer fungi. Algae are mostly found in which habitat? Answer aquatic. Bryophytes are called plants. Answer amphibians. Pteridophytes are also called plants. Answer vascular cryptogams. What are seed-bearing plants called? Answer phanerogams. What are non-seed plants called? Answer cryptogams. What are gymnosperms? Answer naked seed plants. What are angiosperms? Answer enclosed seed plants. Which plant group is called naked seed plants? Answer gymnosperms. Which plant group bears flowers? Answer angiosperms. What is the reproductive organ of angiosperms? Answer flower. What is the male reproductive part of a flower? Answer stamen. What is the female reproductive part of a flower? Answer pistil. What part of a flower becomes fruit? Answer ovary. What part of a flower becomes seed? Answer ovule. What is the outermost whorl of a flower? Answer calyx. What is the second whorl of a flower? Answer corolla. Name one unicellular algae. Answer Chlamydomonas. Name one multicellular algae. Answer Spirogyra. Which pigment gives brown color to brown algae? Answer fucoxanthin. Which pigment gives red color to red algae? Answer phycoerythrin. What is the reserve food of brown algae? Answer mannitol. What is the reserve food of red algae? Answer floridine starch. What is the body of algae called? Answer thallus. Which algae helps in coral formation? Answer red algae. Example of green algae. Answer ulva. Example of brown algae. Answer laminaria.